Good afternoon. My name is Rajendra. I'm the VP Global Operations for SAP Business One ERP software. Are you, as a growing business, struggling to meet your cash flows and financial obligations and tracking your orders or managing your inventory? If so, you're not the only one. There are multiple others growing businesses struggling with similar issues and challenges in their operational matters. And this is where we have been helping businesses at Kabeer Consulting Group in multiple countries globally with SAP Business One ERP. SAP Business One ERP has been helping growing businesses manage everything together in one single application, be it your financials, be it your inventory, sales, purchase, production, or your projects. So all things coming together in one single package. And the benefit is you have streamlined efficiencies in your shop floor, and the operations come together for better reporting, and you can really look at better business returns in terms of profitability and revenue. Thank you. And don't forget to book a personalized demo for SAP Business One ERP and how it can meet your business requirements. Thank you.